Hello students our EVS chapter number 13, that is water a basic need, still going on. Now we complete our chapter. Now the next is avoid water pollution. Okay, how we can avoid water pollution? We all should make efforts to reduce water pollution. Okay, we all should make our efforts to decrease the water pollution. And how we should decrease the water pollution? Do not wash clothes or bath animals in ponds, rivers and lakes. Okay, we should not wash clothes or bath animals in the water bodies. Okay, because when we wash clothes and bath animals in water bodies, then the water get polluted. Okay. Now next is do not lay water pipes and drainage pipes side by side. Okay, do not separate the water pipes and drainage pipes side by side. They are away from each other. Okay, now drinking water drinking water can get polluted if a drainage pipe is leaked. Okay, when a drainage pipe is leaked, then our drinking water can get polluted. That's why they are not side by side. Now the next, treat factory wastes before discharging them into water bodies. Okay, we should treat the factory wastes before discharging them into water bodies. Okay, firstly we treat them, then we discharge them into the water bodies. Now safe handling of water. It is very important to store and handle drinking water properly so that it does not become dirty. Okay, why it is important to store drinking water properly? It is important to store drinking water properly so that it does not become dirty, so it does not get polluted. Some ways to keep water clean. Okay, there are some ways how we keep the water clean. Okay, store water in clean containers. Okay, always store our water in clean containers. Okay, in washed, not in the dirty containers. Store water in clean containers. Keep the containers covered. We always keep the containers covered, do not opened. Okay, we always keep the containers covered. Okay, next is water used for drinking should not be stored for many days. Which water we use for drinking, that should not be stored for many days. Okay, it should be stored for only 1 or maximum for 2 days. Okay, not for the for many days. Okay, next is take out water from deep containers with the help of a ladle. Okay, when we take out the water from the deep containers like tank and any other deep container, then we should take out the water with the help of a ladle. Okay, ladle is the ladle is a one type of spoon that which has a bowl shape cup. Okay, do not dip your hands. Okay, when we take out the water from the deep containers, then always use a ladle. Okay, don't dip your hands in the container. Okay, otherwise our water get dirty. Okay, when we dip the arms in the water, then water get dirty. Okay, now many a times people face shortage of water due to less rainfall and drying up of rivers. Okay, many a times, most of the times people face a shortage of water. Okay, many of the times people face a shortage of water because due to less rainfall. Okay, when rain not comes, we face a shortage of water, and when the rivers drying up, when the rivers dries up. Okay, now in some places people walk miles to get water. In some places where there is not a water, then people go from one place to another place to get water. Okay, like in most of the villages there is a shortage of water, so the people is going from one village to another village to get water. Okay, in in some cities water is supplied for a limited time. Okay, in the big cities where a shortage of water, there is a some limit to supply of water. Okay, that water is supplied for the some time, like for 1 or 2 hour. Okay, water is supplied in a limit. Okay, hence we understand the importance of water and must take steps to save it, because there is a much shortage of water, so we should understand the importance of water, and and must take steps to save it. Okay, because there is a shortage of water, so we should make a steps to save it. Okay, and how we make a efforts to save it? Now, save water, it is precious. Okay, save water, it is important. We should follow these rules to save water. Okay, take a bath with the bucket and mug instead of shower. Okay, we always bath with the help of a bucket and mug. Okay, instead of a shower. Taking a shower wastes water. Okay, when we bath, then we always use a bucket and mug, don't use a shower. Okay, because when we use a shower, then it is a wastage of water. Okay, when we use a shower, then much water flows down, then it is a wastage of water. So always use a bucket and mug when you bath. Next is, do not let the tap run when you brush your teeth. Okay, when we brushes our teeth, then then do not let the tap run. Okay, we off the tap. Okay, when a need, then on it, otherwise we off. Okay, so do not let the tap run when you brushes your teeth. Next is, get leaking taps, broken pipelines, get pipelines repaired. Okay, so when pipelines get leaked, then the water flows. Okay, flows, then it is a wastage of water through broken pipes and leaking taps. The water waste. Okay, so get repaired the leaking taps and broken pipelines. Okay, if we want to store our water, then get repaired leaking taps and broken pipelines. Use water left over washing clothes to mop the floors. Okay, when we wash our clothes, then some water left. Okay, sometime when we wash our clothes, then some water left, we do not throw that water. Okay, we use that water to mop the floors, to clean the floors. Okay, we did not waste our water. If we want to store that water or save that water, then use the water left after washing to mop the floors, to clean the floors. Use the leftover water from your water bottle to water plants. Okay, when some water left if in our water bottle. Okay, like we daily takes a water bottle to the school. Okay, students daily take a water bottle to the school. If some water left in the water bottle, they did not throw that, they use that water to give water to water the plants. Okay, they use that water to water the plants, do not throw that. Next is, always use sprinkler while watering plants. Okay, when we watering to plants, then always use a sprinkler. Okay, do not use a pipes and other things, we use a sprinkler. Okay, when we use a sprinkler, then we reduce the wastage of water. Okay, now with this our chapter is completed. So you yourself try to find the back exercise. Okay, thanks.